This is Ravi Singareddy from Atlanta, Georgia. Today, on November 3rd, 2009, I'm glancing newspapers and found out two interesting news. First one, US billionaire investor Warren Buffett bets $44 billion on US railway road. And the second one, India brought 200 metric tons of gold from International Monetary Fund for $6.7 billion. That is around 32,000 crores. So, India invested $6.7 billion for hedging foreign dollar. Is it a right investment? I have a better plan. Instead of locking up $6.7 billion worth of gold in safety deposit. This is how I invest this money. Today I would like to talk about something which is closer to my heart, which connects and develops economic enrichment lines in India, which is new railway line initiatives. If I am the person who can make decisions for developing new railway lines in India, these are the four things I consider. First one, all the district headquarters in India need a railway line. Second one, there should not be any dead-end railway line. And third one, if geographically possible, every district headquarters need to have connectivity with surrounding districts. Fourth one, integrating railway and bus stations. Let me go into the statistics. India overall railway density is 19.13 and for Andhra Pradesh is 18.9. What is a railway density? It is the length of the railway infrastructure in meters per 1000 inhabitants. That means Andhra Pradesh have around 1600 kilometers of railway line. I would like to propose to increase the railway density from 18.9 to 33. That many Congress MPs we have sent it to the Parliament from Andhra Pradesh for forming the UPA government. As I have told you earlier, as a basis for 4 guidelines, I am taking my native place Telangana for proposal of new railway lines. Let us name the project as Telangana Railway Ring Project as a part of YSR Railway Yagnam. As part of this project, I would like to propose 13 new railway lines in Telangana. One is Jagityal to Nizamabad via Mettupalli and Armoor, that is around 94 kilometers. The second one is Armoor to Adilabad via Nirmal, 110 kilometers. If you look at Adilabad district, this district is not even connected to Andhra Pradesh via railway line. It is as if it is not part of Andhra Pradesh. We should have a railway line from Adilabad, the district headquarters, to the rest of Andhra Pradesh. And third one, Bodhan to Udgir via Deglur, 100 kilometers. Bodhan to Medak via Banswara and Yelareddy, 100 kilometers. Yelareddy, somewhere in the middle of Banswara and Yelareddy, to Bidar via Pitlam and Narayan Khed, 60 kilometers. Medak to Singareddy via Rajampet, 50 kilometers. Akkanapet to Kotapalli via Siddipet and Vemulavada, 90 kilometers. And line number 8, Siddipet to Jalgaon via Buchannapet, 60 kilometers. Railway number 9, Singareddy to Patancheru, 25 kilometers. Railway number 10, Tandul to Mahabubnagar via Kodangal, 80 kilometers. Railway number 11, Badepalli, Mahabubnagar to Nalgonda via Kalakurti and Malepalli, 150 kilometers. Railway number 12, Malepalli to Macharla via Nagarjun Sagar, 70 kilometers. Later, it may be extended to Ongole via Markapur, that's around 200 kilometers. Railway number 13, Nalgonda to Khammam via Suryapet, 90 kilometers. Total distance close to 1080 kilometers of new railway track. Telangana Railway Ring Project costs somewhere around 2800 to 3200 crores for completion. This project will improve all the districts of Telangana, Palnadu, Vidarbha, Marathwada, North Karnataka, and also forms the railway ring around Hyderabad. Employment and growth is possible in following industries: steel, manufacturing, transportation, hospitality like hotels and catering, agricultural, that's a food transportation, and also with this economic enrichment plan, we can reduce Naxalism problem in these backward districts. Cities will be developed in this project: Karimnagar, Jagatyal, Medpalli, Siddipet, Janagam, Armoor, Nirmal, Adilabad, Nizamabad, Bodhan, Deglur in Maharashtra, Udgir from Maharashtra, Banswada, Ellareddy, Pitlam, Narankhed, Bidar from Karnataka, Medak, Rajampet, Singareddy, Patancheru, Thandur, Mahabubnagar, Kalvakurti, Malepalli, Nagarjun Sagar, Macharla, Nalgonda, Suryapet, Khammam and Warangal. This is the following connectivity between districts: Nizamabad to Adilabad via Armoor, Nizamabad to Karimnagar via Armoor, Nizamabad to Medak via Akhanapet, Nizamabad to Medak via Bodhan, Nizamabad to Latur via Bodhan, Deglu and Udgir, Nizamabad to Bidar via Bodhan and Pitlam, Karimnagar to Medak via Vemulavada, Siddipet and Akhanapet, Karimnagar to Secunderabad via Vemulavada, Siddipet and Akhanapet, Karimnagar to Nalgonda via Siddipet, Jangam, Bongir, Medak to Bidar via Ellareddy, Pitlam, Medak to Latur via Bodhan, Deglur, Udgir, Medak to Warangal via Akhanapet, Siddipet and Jangam, Medak to Mahabubnagar via Singareddy and Thandur, Mahabubnagar to Nalgonda via Kalvakurti and Malepalli, Mahabubnagar to Guntur via Kalvakurti, Malepalli and Macharla, Mahabubnagar to Guntur via Malepalli and Nalgonda, Mahabubnagar to Gulbarga via Thandur, Nalgonda to Khammam via Suryapet. This project may cost somewhere 2800 to 3200 crores. We have spent around 32,000 crores on gold, which should have built around 10,000 kilometers of new railway lines. We should have built effective economic bloodlines in rural Indian development. If time permits, I will design other states, especially Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Karnataka, new railway lines, maybe one day whole of India. If I am in charge of this project, I will complete Telangana Railway Project in 4 years. 1 year for planning and 3 years for construction. 1 kilometer railway line in 1 day. This is Ravi Singareddy signing off from Atlanta, Georgia.